Vanakkam. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. In this video, we are going to see what is inside the solar drip irrigation system with 12 timer modes. Okay. And this product available in Amazon as well as Flipkart. So you can purchase from anything. Okay. And let's go and see in the video what is inside the box. Let okay. So this is the pack. So I bought it and already I bought another one. I already set up and put a video for that, how it is working and how you fish it on that. Okay, so if you are interested, please go and see that one. Okay, so this one I can see the content inside the pack. Okay, please handle this sister and knife very carefully. Okay. Okay, so the box looks like this. Okay, and pretty neat. Looks impressing. So here you have a QR code. You can contact the seller of this. Let's see what is inside. So you can see to set off the 4 mm water tubes. Okay, and 20 to 6 anti joint and this filter inside this pack. This is the ground stake. That's one more piece. This is anti-slip-on. This is the ground stake, another piece. Screw set. This is the main system. The manual for this one. Okay, and it's easy to set up without manual. Okay. Yeah. So let's see the main system. So the solar panel and the back side the main system was attached. Inside we have a motor, the operating buttons, and you can see the in and out pipes. Okay, and this wire is the water level sensor. It has two ends. The long end is the low level sensor, the short end is the higher level sensor. Okay, so this is the total content. You can connect 20 pots with this one. This is the water filter. It will filter out all the dust and everything so that your system will be very neat. Okay, and these T joints, okay, you have they given 20. Okay, and the drip sticks also 20. So how to set up this one? Let's see. You can watch my channel. I will put another video for this and you can enjoy it. Okay, yes, thank you guys. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.